cats snore? Cat owners usually have a clear answer as to why this happens. Cats not only make this sound when they are happy, but they can also make a sound when they are fighting or striving and show support or treats to the other cat. Scientists have concluded that the frequency of a cat's snoring sound is between 50 and 150, and that a cat can change its snoring at different times. This is done by cats as a sign of their physical health, and they also produce this sound during the recovery period from an illness.